Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a very simple shawarma recipe at home. So now I'm chopping my beef. I already grate this beef. You can fry it, whichever works for you. And here's my chicken breast. You can see it's very hot. I'm trying to chop it up, and then I'll keep this aside and I'll proceed into making my creamy mixture. And I'll be adding my mayonnaise, some ketchup, chili pepper, some salt to taste, and a pinch of sugar. And then I'll stir this. I'll combine this very well. I'll mix it very well till it's very, very, very creamy. So you see how creamy it is? Yep. And then I'll set this aside. I get my already cut vegetables. There's some cabbage and carrots. I'll transfer to a bowl and I'll add in my creamy mixture. So it's very simple, and if you've watched it this time, I'm so happy to have you here. Please like and subscribe for more videos. So now I'll mix this all very well, and I'll add in my chopped beef and I'll stir this very well. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, at this point you can add your chili pepper if you want it more hot. And yeah, I'll be going in with my chicken breast, and I would mix this up very well as usual. Yeah, so we'll mix this very, very well to get the chicken to also take in the creamy moisture. And then for our wrappings, you get your 2 shawarma bread. You place one on top of the other, not fully. I don't know if that's well explained. Then you get your fillings and you place it in the middle, just enough. You don't have to put too much so it won't be so difficult to wrap. I don't know if you get me. Yeah, so you put that in. You see how sweet it's looking. You can try this at home. You can have this with soft drink. If you want to switch things up for your family, for yourself, instead of wasting money to buy, you can just make it at home. So this is it. I'm wrapping it. You wrap it tightly so you won't lose off. Now see how beautiful this is. Okay. So yeah, you transfer this into your pan on low heat and you heat it up. You can have this with soft drink, tea, what works for you. And I wrap mine with some paper. You can do this with foil. This is what I have at home. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.